How do wheel spacers work on your Toyota Land Cruiser? Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacer can be installed as aftermarket parts between the wheel hub assembly and wheels. The high-quality Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicles. The lights of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and trustworthy appearance. Using Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 55 FPS and TV test report. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 1 inch to 15mm. BONOSS Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forged made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default in danger during safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. Also, the BONOSS Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you a peace of mind.